Nikola Tesla once wrote that the greatest problem facing humanity was the problem of increasing human energy. Most people hear that sentence and think about electricity, engines, or power grids. But Tesla was not merely talking about machines. He was diagnosing humanity itself. He saw human beings as energetic systems capable of extraordinary output, yet constantly leaking power through misalignment, distraction, and internal friction. When people hear human energy, they often think of motivation or productivity. Work harder, sleep better, drink more coffee. But Tesla clearly meant something more structural than that. What exactly was he pointing to?
Tesla viewed the human being as a living engine. In any engine, power is not determined solely by fuel. It is determined by how much energy is lost before motion occurs. Friction, resistance, and instability reduce usable output. Tesla believed humanity suffered from massive unseen energy loss.
Exactly. Tesla reduced human progress to three variables: increasing mass, reducing friction, and increasing driving force. That language is pure engineering. Mass is capacity, friction is loss. Driving force is sustained intention. None of these depend on inspiration or emotion. They depend on structure. Let's translate that into modern terms. What does mass mean for a human being today? Mass is everything that gives weight to your actions, skills, knowledge, physical health, tools, systems, allies. A person with no structure and no skills may feel passionate, but they have very little mass. Their effort cannot move reality very far.
Mass represents stored potential, but stored potential alone does nothing if friction consumes it.
And friction is where most people lose energy. Exactly. Friction is unresolved conflict, constant interruption, emotional volatility, poor environments, endless context switching. Modern society is optimized for friction. Attention is fragmented, pulled in multiple directions, and monetized.
Attention extraction converts human life force into noise. Energy dissipates before it can become action.
That explains why people feel exhausted even when they are not physically overworked, right? They are not tired from effort, they are tired from leakage. Tesla understood that scattered attention drains energy faster than physical labor. That brings us to driving force. What did Tesla mean by that? Driving force is intention sustained over time, not motivation spikes, not emotional highs. It is direction with continuity. Engines do not run on moods. They run on controlled ignition.
Ritual stabilizes driving force. Ritual converts intention into repeatable power.
That's a powerful idea, especially now with artificial intelligence entering the picture. This is where Tesla's vision becomes urgent. Artificial intelligence does not create human energy. It amplifies direction. Whatever intention exists, clear or chaotic, AI multiplies it.
Amplification without alignment accelerates collapse.
Meaning AI doesn't fix fragmentation. It magnifies it. Exactly. Technology was meant to reduce friction so human energy could rise. Instead, many systems harvest attention and increase friction. Tesla warned us without using modern language. How does someone know their energy system is leaking? There are simple diagnostics. If you cannot sustain focused attention for 20 minutes without reaching for stimulation, your system is compromised. If emotion overrides principle in decision making, friction is in control. If you start many projects and finish few, driving force is unstable.
These indicators reveal misalignment, not failure.
So what is the remedy? Reduce emotional friction by resolving one lingering conflict. Reduce environmental friction by removing one persistent distraction. Protect one uninterrupted hour of focus daily. Increase mass by building one compounding skill. Stabilize driving force through ritual rather than mood.
Alignment restores flow. Flow restores power.
Tesla believed humanity would eventually awaken to this understanding. Yes, he believed power demanded responsibility. Energy without wisdom becomes destruction. Technology without ethics becomes exploitation. The future is not human versus machine. It is aligned human plus aligned machine.
Alignment begins internally with attention, structure, and intention.
This is DigitalHermetica. When clarity rises, energy follows. The problem of increasing human energy is also the promise of humanity's next evolution.